Hey Bootcamp Owls, today we're going to talk about QR codes. Now some of you might be wondering what a QR code is, but actually you're finding them everywhere around these days. As a matter of fact, I was in my pantry this morning and I pulled out a cake box and lo and behold there was a QR code on the box itself. So it's definitely something you need to at least take a look at and see if it's something you would be interested in for your business. Now, how do you scan a QR code, or how does anyone? Basically, there's an app on any phone, on any smartphone, that allow you to scan the QR code. It then will take you to a specific URL or website where they can then probably like your Facebook page or anything else. So you can also use it as sending out messages. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make one. So you may be asking yourself, what is a QR code? Well, here's a picture of a QR code, and it's basically a series of random blocks that allows you to take a cell phone or a smartphone and scan the image, and it will take you to whatever URL you want it to go to. So some things to keep in mind is what you want to send it to would be, perhaps it's your website or your blog, perhaps even your Facebook page, or sometimes you might want it to go to your replicated website. It's seriously all up to you. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to goqr.me. And on this website, it allows us to do two different things. We can either put some text here, and when someone scans our QR code, they get basically a message. Or the other thing to do, and what I was just talking about, is a URL. I happen to prefer a URL to either get some new likes or get people to my blog. So all we have to do is simply type in our website. And once you've done that, it automatically generates it on the right-hand side. And what I really like about this particular program is that you can make it smaller or larger. Now, in my world, larger is always better because you can downsize, you can't always upsize. So I move the slide all the way to the right-hand side and simply click download. I can then put it on my computer where I'll be able to find it, and it says QR code, and hit save. Now, what do you do with the QR code once you get it done? I'm going to show you a couple different ideas. On the left-hand side, I did a sign that's put into a frame, and it sits on my jewelry bar, and it says like me, and it takes them straight to my Facebook page. And on the right hand side you can see I just added it to a magnet, and I can't tell you how many times driving down the street people will be really close up on my bumper trying to take a picture of it, and it took me a little while to figure that out. But you can do that too. So the sky's the limit. Just think about what you want to put it on and where you want it to take them. So now that you have your own QR code, what I want you to do is make sure you've saved it to your computer and then upload it into the comment section here so we can all see it and see where we're headed. So see you again tomorrow. Bye, Bootcamp Owls.